Hello everyone! You have bought or would you like to buy apartment in the company of Like House, and now you are thinking about how to spend your time? Batumi is a city of love. Today I would like to show you 5 top romantic places in Batumi. My name is Mariam. Let's hurry up and enjoy this exciting journey. The first place is Piazza Square. Piazza Square is a public square in the center in the heart of Batumi. It is a popular destination for locals and tourists as well. Featuring a unique Italian-inspired design with beautiful architect, colorful facade. The square is surrounded by numerous restaurants, cafes and shops, offering visitors a variety of dining and shopping options. In the evening, the square is often lively with music and street performances, adding to its vibrant atmosphere. The second place is Alphabet Tower. Alphabet Tower, it is 130 meters tower on the Black Sea coast in Batumi. The tower is shaped like a DNA helix and consists of 33 letters of the Georgian alphabet that are illuminated at night. The tower was built in 2012 to commemorate 33 letters of the Georgian alphabet, which is one of the oldest scripts in the world. The letters are arranged in the alphabetical order from the bottom of the tower to the top, and each letter is 8 meters high. It also serves as a symbol of Georgia's cultural heritage and the linguistic identity. The third place is Ali and Nino. Ali and Nino sculpture is a famous monument located on the Black Sea coast, Batumi. This is a tragic love story set in the city of Baku, Azerbaijan, during early 20th century. It has been recognized as a symbol of love and reconciliation between different cultures and nations. The monument depicts the figures of Ali and Nino, 2 lovers from a novel of the same name, written by Kurban Said, a pseudonym for an unknown author in 1937. The sculpture was created by Georgian artist Tamara Kvesitadze in 2010. The figures of Ali and Nino move towards each other and then pass through each other, attracting many visitors. Fourth place is 6 May Park. 6 May Park is a public park located in the central part of the city. The park was named after the date when Georgia gained independence from the Soviet Union in 1991. Popular destination for outdoor activities and relaxation. It also offers several attractions for visitors, a small lake with boats for rent, a children's playground. It's a great place to take a break from the busy city and enjoy a picnic with the family and friends. It's a must-visit attraction in Batumi for nature lovers and those seeking a calm and tranquil atmosphere. Fifth place is Batumi Boulevard. Batumi Boulevard is a popular promenade and a public park located along Black Sea coast in Batumi. Cafes, restaurants, playgrounds, sport facilities and sculptures. It also includes a bike path and a pedestrian zone, making it a great place for cycle, jogging and walking. The Batumi Boulevard is a lively and vibrant place that attracts tourists and locals as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked my videos. See you soon.